Technology has always been a driving force in shaping the course of human history. From the invention of the wheel in ancient times to the creation of artificial intelligence in the 21st century, technological progress has transformed the way we live, work, and interact with one another. Each era of human development can be associated with a significant technological leap. The agricultural revolution gave stability to nomadic communities. The Industrial Revolution accelerated production and trade, and the digital revolution connected people across continents within seconds. Today, we stand on the threshold of a new era, where the boundaries between the physical and digital worlds are blurring, and where technology is deeply intertwined with every aspect of human society. One of the most visible impacts of technology is in the field of communication. The invention of the printing press in the 15th century made knowledge accessible to the masses, breaking the monopoly of the elite over learning. Centuries later, the telegraph, the telephone, and the radio further shrank distances by enabling real-time exchange of information. The arrival of the Internet in the late 20th century was a turning point, opening new horizons of connectivity. Social media platforms, instant messaging services, and video conferencing tools have now created a virtual global village. Families separated by thousands of miles can communicate face to face, and ideas can travel across oceans in the blink of an eye. While this unprecedented connectivity has enriched human interaction, it has also raised questions about privacy, authenticity of information, and the mental health of users. Equally remarkable has been the role of technology in medicine. The discovery of vaccines, antibiotics, and advanced surgical techniques has saved millions of lives. In recent decades, diagnostic tools such as magnetic resonance imaging and genetic testing have revolutionized the detection and treatment of diseases. The development of telemedicine during the pandemic demonstrated how digital platforms can deliver health care even in remote areas. Artificial intelligence is now being applied to drug discovery, while robotic surgeries are improving precision and reducing recovery time. Yet, ethical dilemmas arise when technology intersects with life and death. Debates over cloning, genetic engineering, and end-of-life decisions highlight the need to balance innovation with moral responsibility. Education too has been reshaped by technology. Traditional classrooms, once limited by physical infrastructure, have been supplemented with online learning platforms that provide access to knowledge at a global scale. Students can attend lectures by professors thousands of miles away, access digital libraries containing millions of books, and participate in collaborative projects with peers from different countries. Interactive tools, simulations, and virtual reality make learning more engaging and effective. However, the digital divide remains a serious concern. While urban students may enjoy the benefits of high-speed internet and smart devices, children in rural and economically weaker sections struggle to access even basic facilities. Unless this gap is bridged, technology risks widening inequalities in education instead of reducing them. The world of business and employment has been profoundly influenced by technological advancements. Automation, robotics, and artificial intelligence have streamlined production processes, reduced costs, and increased efficiency. At the same time, they have displaced traditional jobs, leading to concerns about unemployment and job insecurity. The gig economy, facilitated by digital platforms, has created new opportunities for flexible work but also raised questions about social security and workers' rights. As industries undergo rapid digital transformation, the need for reskilling and continuous learning has become more urgent than ever. The workforce of tomorrow will require adaptability, creativity, and critical thinking in order to thrive alongside machines. Technology also plays a vital role in governance and public administration. E-governance initiatives in many countries have simplified bureaucratic processes, improved transparency, and empowered citizens. Online portals for tax filing, digital identity systems, and real-time grievance redressal mechanisms have reduced corruption and improved efficiency. Data analytics enables policymakers to design evidence-based programs, while geographic information systems assist in urban planning and disaster management. Yet, the use of surveillance technologies has sparked debates on the delicate balance between national security and individual freedoms. Citizens must remain vigilant to ensure that technology strengthens democracy rather than undermining it. In conclusion, technology is neither inherently good nor inherently bad. It is a tool, and its impact depends on how humanity chooses to use it. It has the potential to solve some of the most pressing challenges of our time: poverty, disease, illiteracy, and environmental degradation. But it also carries risks of misuse, inequality, and ethical dilemmas. The responsibility lies with individuals, communities, and governments to ensure that technology remains a servant of humanity, not its master. By fostering innovation that is inclusive, sustainable, and guided by ethical values, society can harness technology as a force for progress and justice. The future will not be shaped by technology alone, but by the wisdom with which we employ it.